I know.
Yeah.
So what is it looking like right now?
It's looking cooler for the weekend, that's for sure. I think if I had to choose a better day of the two, I'd choose Saturday because rain chances, they still exist, but they're lower. And it looks like on Sunday we have a pretty decent chance on Easter of seeing those showers come
So we should put the little plastic eggs out on Saturday.
Should.
Love
you know
that.
Better
It's a
yet, do
highlight.
it on Friday.
Okay.
Because it's going to be feeling wonderful during the daytime hours of Friday. Here's a look at where we're at right now. Quite a bit cooler close to the lake. We're down to 42 in Waukegan, 41 at the Chicago lakefront, 49 in Valparaiso. It's 43 in Gary, 57 in Joliet, same thing in Kankakee, up to 63 degrees in LaSalle. And tonight we're going to be dropping down into the upper 30s to low 40s. Here's where we're headed. So tomorrow we have a warm front that's set to move through. So that's going to bring temperatures up into the 60s. And by Friday, we're counting on highs that are going to be roughly 20 degrees above what's considered to be average. Your average high is 60. And then a strong cold front comes through. That's going to bring in temps below average for the weekend. So mid to upper 50s expected on Saturday and Sunday. Same thing into Monday, but by Tuesday, which of course isn't on this map here, we're going to see temperatures rising back up into the 60s again. So a fairly short-term cool down is what we're going to be dealing with this weekend. Now let's talk about the weather pattern for the next couple of days because it's going to become a little more unsettled beginning tomorrow when that warm front approaches the area. So the Storm Prediction Center has the far western extent of Chicagoland in a marginal risk. That's a level 1 of 5, stretching through DeKalb County, southwestern McHenry County, portions of Kane, and then back down into LaSalle County. But the main concern in the next couple of days, that's going to be here on Friday. So the entire Chicagoland area highlighted in a slight risk, which means scattered severe storms are going to be possible. This is a level 2 out of 5 on the Storm Prediction Center scale. And at this point, the main hazards appear to be damaging wind gusts as well as hail being possible with any of those storms that develop late in the day and into the overnight hours of Friday. So your satellite and radar, things are quiet for now. We have some higher level clouds and that's really about it. It's gorgeous out there currently. Yes, running cooler at the lakefront, but still lots of sunshine. Futurecast taking us throughout this evening and tonight. We start to see increasing cloud cover. And this is all out ahead of that warm front that's going to move through tomorrow. Also coming our way ahead of that warm front is going to be the chance of rain, maybe even a couple thunderstorms. But notice the wind direction thanks to this frontal boundary. So turning to be out of the south tomorrow. So that's going to boost temperatures up into the mid 60s, slightly above average for your Thursday. And then by Friday, we're waking up in the morning with southerly winds. This is going to result in temperatures responding in a huge way. I think we break into some sunshine, 80 degrees for your high on Friday. And then along with that cold front during the evening hours, I have the clock stepped here between 7 p.m. We're starting to see waves of showers and storms coming through. And again, some of those may end up being strong or severe. For tonight, 39, we'll have east-southeasterly winds, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Your 7-day, 64 degrees tomorrow, 80 expected on Friday. Then on Saturday, we're at 57 degrees. There is going to be a chance of rain on Saturday, mainly near and south of I-80. North of I-80, we're going to remain mainly dry. On Sunday, we'll have a couple waves of showers and storms being possible for Easter, 55 degrees, 57 on Monday. And then by Tuesday and Wednesday next week, we are back up into the 60s. Back to you.
Emily, thanks.